In previous lecture, you saw how to import, how to organize your photos using collections and folders. In this video, we will see how to rate and filter your photos for easy access and for speeding your workflow in Adobe Lightroom. Another important thing is that inside the Lightroom, you can collapse or auto-hide different sections of Lightroom. For example, for now, we don't need this strip timeline, and we click that button and it will be hidden. So when we hover over this section, it will pop up. And we also don't need this section, and we will hide them. So if you want to reset it back to the default, just click on the triangle button. Another important thing inside the Lightroom is rating of your photos. So why should we rate our photos? We know that every photo shoot, we do not necessarily edit or use all the photographs that we have taken. For managing time and speeding our workflow, we need to rate and select specific photos for editing and don't use the photos that we do not want to edit. For this purpose, rating is very important and very beneficial for using, and it is a very powerful tool inside the Lightroom. Inside the Lightroom, we can rate our photos in different ways. One of the rating system is flagging our photo. For flagging, we have two options. In here, you see a flag button. It's flag as pick and flag as rejected. It has also a shortcut P for flag as pick and X for flag as rejected. I do not want to use this photograph or edit it, so I will unflag it, flag it as rejected. And you see that its thumbnail is changed to gray button and it's a little desaturated. For this photo, I want to pick it and I want to edit it, and so we flag it as picked. This photograph and also this one is rejected. We will flag this one as pick, and also I'll flag this one as pick. This one rejected. This one pick. This one rejected. This one as pick. If you use this flag rating system, how to find your photos that you have picked or rejected. For this purpose, in the right bottom corner, you see a option called filters. For now, it's filters off. You can choose different filters according to a rating system. For example, use the flag rating system. So we can see that filter as flag as pick photo. We see all the photos that we have flagged as pick. And the Lightroom discarded other photograph, and we will not get distracted by other photographs that we do not need to edit or consider editing them. Another rating system inside Lightroom is called color rating. So if you want to color rate your photos, or if you want to use color rating system, you can right click on the photos, set color ribbon. In this menu, you have 5 different colors. And if you want to pick red for this photograph. So how you use these rating systems depends on you. For example, which are color red, it is portrait photograph, or the photograph which are rated red, or your friend's photograph, or the photographs rated blue, or the landscapes. So in this way, you can choose different scenarios, and using this rating system depends on you. The next rating system that we are going to discuss is called a star rating. A star rating is the most popular rating system inside Lightroom. We can rate our photos from 1 star to 5 star. And as usual, how to use this rating depends on you. How I use the star rating is that 5-star photos are top photos, and I'm going to edit them first. 5-star rated photos are the ones which have most priority, and I will edit them first. 4-star is the next, 3 and 1. You can also use that the 5-star photos are landscape, 4-star photos are portrait, 3-star photos are street photography, or any other things in the same way. To rate this, you can, at the bottom corner, you see that stars. For example, I want to rate this photo 5 star, and it just and I will edit them. First, it is the best photos, and I will upload it in Instagram. You can, using arrow key, switch between photos. For example, this photograph also 5 star, this photograph 2 star, this I will give it 3 star, and this one 5 star definitely, this one 4 star, and this one also 2 star. To find your photos using a star rating, you again go to filters, and in this section you can see that it is called rated. You can see the stars. For example, it is greater than or equal to 5 star. It shows the photos that are 5 stars or greater than that, which we, in this case, we do not have photos that are rated greater than 5. You can also decrease the star ratings. It's, in this case, it's greater than or equal to 4. And it shows that 4 star and 5 stars. In the same way, greater than or equal to 3, it shows 3 star rated, and 4, 5 also. You can change the comparison operator from greater than or equal to rating is equal to, rating is less than or equal to. In this lecture, we saw how to create your photos using flags, using colors, and using stars. And one more rating system is remaining, and we will discuss it in the next lecture.